Hi, John. Sorry about the light halo. I'm just not going to fix that right now. Whoops. Okay, so I wanted to show you about slicers. I don't feel like you're using the power of slicers. And so you all have a follow-up task that's due Friday at midnight. I don't know, you might want to use this in your presentation too. Um, but the point of slicers is to help someone visually understand your problem. And so I created this variable. Let me see over here. I created this variable called majority winner. I want you to create this. So it's a variable where if the win percentage is greater than 50%, it says yes. And if it's not greater than 50%, it says no. And so here, then I made a graph of, so then I made a very simple pivot table, which just looked at whether or not the majority winner variable, and then it kept track of the average score. So I would like you to try to make this, and then I made a chart based on that and made slicers of role and class. And there's something that I don't understand, and maybe you can explain it. But this is, I think, going to show you sort of the power of slicers. So these are the people that did not win a majority of their games. And these are the people that did win a majority of the games out of everybody. Notice how the average score for the ones who did win a majority of their games is lower than for the ones that did not win a majority of the games. And I've gone through this several times in different aspects, and I'm finding that true. So then you could say, well, what about the ADC people? I don't even know what I'm talking about. That's true there. Notice the jungle people's scores are bigger in general, and the difference between the yeses and nos is bigger than it is for the ADC. And for the mid, the average scores for the people that win the majority of their games and don't win the majority of games are about the same. So even though I don't even know what I'm talking about, I have something to talk about. And so for your bonus, for your final task, I would like you to create that new column, majority winner. And I'd like you to create a pivot table and make a graph based on the pivot table with these slicers. And I think that that will be a good exercise for you to see the power of slicers.